Solar power is a game changer for preppers, offering a reliable, renewable energy source that can ensure survival during emergencies. Whether it's a natural disaster or a power grid failure, having a solar power system can keep your home running. Here's a comprehensive guide on setting up solar power for prepping. First, let's look at the components you'll need. A basic solar power system includes solar panels to capture sunlight, a charge controller to manage the power, batteries to store energy, and an inverter to convert the stored energy into a usable form for household appliances. Step 1. Assessing your energy needs before investing in a solar power system. You need to calculate your energy requirements. Start by listing all the essential appliances you'll need during an emergency, such as lights, refrigerators, and communication devices. Determine the wattage of each and estimate how many hours per day each appliance will be in use. This will give you an idea of your daily energy consumption in watt-hours. Step 2. Choosing the right solar panels. Solar panels are the heart of your system. They come in various types and efficiencies. For prepping purposes, durability and efficiency are crucial. Monocrystalline panels are typically more efficient and last longer, but are also more expensive. Polycrystalline panels are a more cost-effective option. Consider the space you have available and the amount of sunlight your location receives to determine the size and number of panels needed. Step 3. Battery storage. Batteries store the energy generated by your solar panels. During emergencies, having a reliable battery bank ensures you have power when the sun isn't shining. Lead-acid batteries are common and relatively affordable, but they have a shorter lifespan and lower depth of discharge compared to lithium-ion batteries, which are more expensive but offer better performance and longevity. Make sure your battery bank can store enough energy to meet your needs for at least a few days. Step 4. Charge controllers and inverters. A charge controller is essential to prevent your batteries from overcharging and to manage the power flow. There are two main types: PWM, pulse width modulation, and MPPT, maximum power point tracking. MPPT controllers are more efficient and better suited for larger systems. The inverter converts the DC power stored in the batteries to AC power, which is used by most household appliances. Pure sine wave inverters are the best choice as they provide a clean and stable power supply, which is important for sensitive electronics. Step 5. Installation and maintenance. When installing your solar panels, position them to receive maximum sunlight, typically facing south in the northern hemisphere. Ensure they are securely mounted and at the correct angle. Regular maintenance is vital to keep your system running efficiently. Clean the panels regularly and check connections for corrosion or damage. Step 6. Planning for expansion. Your energy needs may grow over time, so it's wise to plan for future expansion. This might include adding more panels, upgrading your battery bank, or improving your inverter. Starting with a scalable system will save you time and money in the long run. Step 7. Financial considerations. While the initial cost of setting up a solar power system can be high, it's a worthwhile investment. Over time, it will reduce your energy bills and increase your home's resilience to power outages. Additionally, look into government incentives and tax credits available for solar installations to help offset the costs. Conclusion: investing in solar power as a prepper is about more than just preparing for emergencies. It's a sustainable choice that reduces your reliance on the grid and can provide peace of mind. By following these steps, you can set up a reliable solar power system that meets your needs and keeps you prepared for any situation.